At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a JDM, Japanese domestic market, import business can be exciting and potentially lucrative, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the JDM market. Research the demand for JDM vehicles in your target market. Identify popular models and trends. Know the regulations. Familiarize yourself with import regulations, emission standards, safety requirements, and any other legalities involved in importing vehicles from Japan to your country. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. 2. Legal considerations. Register your business. Choose a legal structure for your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register it with the appropriate government authorities. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your location, you may need special permits or licenses to import and sell vehicles. Ensure compliance with all regulations. 3. Source vehicles. Find reliable suppliers. Research and establish relationships with reputable suppliers in Japan. Consider attending auto auctions or working with export companies that specialize in JDM vehicles. Inspect vehicles. Prioritize quality control by thoroughly inspecting vehicles for any defects, damages, or mechanical issues before purchase. 4. Logistics and shipping. Arrange transportation. Coordinate with shipping companies to transport vehicles from Japan to your country. Compare quotes and choose the most cost-effective and reliable option. Handle customs clearance. Familiarize yourself with customs procedures and documentation requirements. Ensure all necessary paperwork is in order to facilitate smooth importation. 5. Marketing and sales. Build your brand. Develop a strong brand identity and online presence through a professional website, social media, and other marketing channels. Targeted advertising. Use targeted advertising campaigns to reach potential customers interested in JDM vehicles. Consider partnering with automotive enthusiasts or influencers to promote your business. Attend car shows and events. Showcase your imported vehicles at local car shows and events to attract potential buyers and network with other enthusiasts. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Offer transparent pricing and detailed vehicle information to build trust with customers. Provide exceptional customer service throughout the buying process, including prompt responses to inquiries, clear communication, and reliable after-sales support. 7. Grow your business. Expand your inventory. Continuously research market trends and expand your inventory to meet changing customer demands. Explore additional revenue streams. Consider offering related services such as vehicle customization, part sales, or maintenance services to diversify your revenue streams. 8. Stay compliant and adapt. Stay informed about changes in import regulations, market trends, and customer preferences. Adapt your business strategies accordingly to stay competitive and compliant. Starting a JDM import business requires dedication, attention to detail, and a passion for Japanese cars. By following these steps and continuously striving to provide value to your customers, you can build a successful and profitable venture in the niche market of JDM vehicle imports. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.